Bathroom Remodeling Services in Payson by EagleRidge, Utah. EagleRidge, Utah is your go-to expert for bathroom remodeling in Payson, serving the 84651 area with top-notch craftsmanship and attention to detail. We specialize in transforming bathrooms with modern fixtures, custom designs, and high-quality materials, ensuring a seamless blend of style and functionality. Our remodeling services include design and planning, demolition, and removal of old fixtures. Whether you need plumbing installation, electrical work, or lighting upgrades, our skilled team has you covered. We provide ventilation system enhancements, waterproofing, drywall repair, and expert tile installation for floors, walls, and showers. From bathtubs and showers to vanities, sinks, countertops, and cabinets, we install a wide range of bathroom products. We also offer flooring installation, painting, wallpapering, and trim work to give your space a fresh new look. For homeowners looking to upgrade, we provide shower door enclosures, fixture installations, and accessibility modifications such as grab bars and walk-in tubs. For added comfort, we integrate smart technology, heated flooring, saunas, steam rooms, and jacuzzis. Our services extend to fireplace installations, skylights, radiant heating, bidets, aromatherapy systems, and water filtration solutions. No matter your vision, we bring it to life with precision and care. Our team ensures a stress-free experience from start to finish, including final cleaning and debris removal. Enhance your home with a beautifully remodeled bathroom that improves space efficiency, boosts property value, and creates a more relaxing atmosphere. Call us at 801-784-1457 for a free estimate and let EagleRidge bring your dream bathroom to life in Payson 84651.